Well, good afternoon. This is PA Camping Dad, Doogie. I was out in western Pennsylvania and had a couple hours to kill, and I decided to check out Blue Knob State Park and check out some of their trails. You can see it is a glorious fall day. A little bit past peak here, I think, but beautiful day to enjoy the color changes in Pennsylvania. So just got the camera out. Figured I'd give you a little bit of a walk. Now, hopefully it does it some justice. At the hillside below me is just gorgeous. There you go, get it in focus a little bit. Just something about hiking on the trails in the fall. I really enjoy it. Seems like I'm the only one in the park besides some maintenance people. I was the only car in the parking area. It's a Friday afternoon. It rained heavily in the morning. A lot of mud puddles on the Jeep trail that I'm hiking on. But it is fantastic out here. I guess we're at the Pavia Lookout. Well, it is a shame that it is hazy. It is beautiful. Let's see if I can. Oh, there we go. Pennsylvania woods are starting to turn. Oh, it's just too hazy. Really get to see the colors. Well, prettiest is here. Another beautiful section of the trail. Got down off the ridge, off the overlook. This beautiful forest here. Lots of places to hang a hammock. I wish I wasn't in a rush to meet up with my daughter, or I'd take a little break, have a cup of coffee in some of those trees down there. But some other time. I don't know if you can tell it, but this has just been a crazy descent. I think it probably would have been better to go the other way on the trail, go up this. But I wasn't sure I had enough time to do this loop, so I did the more mileage first, where I could turn back easier. And I didn't really look at the map that carefully. It is just going down and down and down and down. I looked at the topo map and crossing lots of tight contour lines, but it is beautiful here. There, let it focus. Stop moving. Woods are all bright yellow. Just gorgeous. Well, reached the end of my hike. Made it in about an hour and 45 minutes. I'll have to put up the miles that it really was. I started in the Willow Springs picnic area parking lot, Blue Knob State Park in Pennsylvania, and started out on the Mountain View Trail, and when it intersected with the Three Springs Trail, I took that, which followed the contour lines around the knob, around the summit, and when I realized I had enough time, I continued the Three Springs Trail back until it intersected with the Mountain View Trail again, and then I took it to the end of the Mountain View Trail and onto the Lookout Loop, where I showed you the Pavia Lookout, and from there I took a little connector trail, shortcut, and back onto the Mountain View Trail, which I took down to an unnamed and unmarked trail, which took me straight down the hill to the Sawmill Trail, which then came back to the Mountain View Trail again. If you look at the map of the state park, you should be able to follow what I did. I'll put up how many miles it was, but it was a beautiful day. As you see, the parking lot is really packed on a day like today. It's just a Friday afternoon, and just too beautiful to pass up, and I needed to break up sitting in the car for 7 hours, so I took a 2-hour hike. Get out there and have fun.